In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your 5 days free trial with Jasper.ai. Now, hitting on the link in the description, you should land on this page like so. All you have to do is simply click the claim 10,000 words for free. Now, on this page, all you have to do is simply to sign up with your Google or email account. If you don't want to do that, you can fill out the information manually and you should be good to go. On this next page, you fill out details of your business, and if you don't have a business, you can just fill out your domain, your website domain, and your name. It's that simple. Next is you have to choose what you're going to be using. So you're writing blog posts, but if you're writing ad copy, you select that right here, and all this does is just to show you that you need this specific plan. It's that easy. Now you fill out the captcha right here, and you should be able to try it for 5 days. Right, for 5 days you need to choose this plan. Now if you're writing long form content, go with the boss mode option right here and hit on start free trial. But if you're writing short form content, add copy, this option right here is the one for you. Is you can see right here 5 days free, and then you have to pay the 59 per month. But if you don't want, you can cancel before even the 5 days have arrived. Now you fill out your card information, and remember you have to cancel the plan if you don't want to upgrade before the 5 days are done. Once you fill out your information, you should start your free trial and start using Jarvis. It's that easy. And if you want to upgrade, there will be a link in the description. That's my affiliate link. On top of that, you get my free YouTube affiliate marketing course. You can grab that as well via the link in the description if you want.